Welcome to Nalla Nasmahareddy Education Society Group of Institutions. This is Kameshwari. Today, in previous class, we are already discussed what is rainwater harvesting and what is the need of rainwater harvesting and advantages of rainwater harvesting. So, what is rainwater harvesting? That is used for conserving the rainwater from rooftops. And also it can be different ways for collection and transfer to directly conserve the water that can be used for domestic purpose. Otherwise we can collect the water and directly pump it through underground tanks, and also directly injected to recharge wells. And the main use of rainwater harvesting is groundwater table increases, reduction of soil loss, and used for drinking, livestock, irrigation purpose. And advantages is we can running cost and almost negligible, and local peoples and easily trained up, and then that materials also very easily available. And now how we can harvest rainwater. So the rainwater harvesting is surface runoff harvesting, and another one is rooftop. So how to collect from surface runoff harvesting? In urban areas, rainwater flows away as surface runoff. In this runoff could be used for recharging aquifers by adapting appropriate methods. So that surface runoff harvesting is in these areas we can collect these ways. Here collecting the surface runoff water. Here water will be percolated on a ground surface. So in one particular area we can construct this type of drills, underground tanks, so that water will be percolated and reached in this particular area. Another one recharge well is this way we can collect the rainwater surface runoff harvesting. So here runoff water is collected, and gardens, driveways, landscapes, open fields, parks, roads, and pavements, and other open areas of the environment can be used to harvest the rainwater runoff. So the open area of the fields and roads and parking areas and gardenings, in that areas we can choose for collecting the surface runoff water. By we can go for this type of areas. And also this method, it is useful, possible to collect water from large areas, and this is a particular advantages in areas of low rainfall. And also rooftop rainfall, that is easily catch system of catching rainwater where it falls. In heavy rainfall areas we can go for this rooftop rainwater harvesting. In rooftop harvesting, the roof become the catchments, and the rainwater is collected from the roofs of the house buildings. This method is less expensive and very effective method. So where rainfall will be more, in that areas we can go for this type of method. So this is very simple method and effective method for collecting the rainwater from buildings and houses. So the diagram represents the rainwater. This is the rooftop rainwater harvesting structure. Water will be collected from the rooftops. So this way, so water will be in rooftop collection of rainwater from the rooftop. So this is the rooftop catchment area. So this is the tank, and rainwater will be stagnate on a top of the roof, so that the water will be in a particular slope and velocity that will be transferred through pipes, and then that will be collected in a either tanks or underground tanks. So this is the collection of rooftop collection and surface water collection. And the main principle of rainwater harvesting is that the advantage is reduce the surface runoff. So proper planning of rainwater techniques by careful observation of where and how the rainwater flows on a ground. So we can plan the proper design and then where and how rainwater flows on a ground surface or particular rooftops, so that that discharge and velocity slopes we can design in a proper way. And also directing the rainwater to water harvesting systems such as storage tanks and our other earthworks by beginning at the high point of the water shed. And also the overflow from rainwater harvesting structures must be utilized properly by directing the runoff to mulch basins to integrate the gardens. So the excess water, so that water will be from rooftops, water will be collected. So it can be designed in a proper way. The in that particular tanks or particular area, the excess rainwater will be properly utilized for gardening purposes. And also rain harvesting the water at the point where it falls on the land by constructing simple earthworks such as basins, terraces, and contours, check dams, flat bottoms, basins in the ground. So overflow, the harvesting water at the point where it falls, that can be we can constructed in the type of basins, terraces, and contours in such a way also. And also proper planning will be very important of very overflow routes. In case of excessive runoff helps to conserve water resources, and also encourage the maximal growth of organic and inorganic mulches as well as the ground cover to increase the infiltration and water holding capacity of the soil. So this is the main principles of rainwater harvesting. So here designing will be very important. And also what are the advantages of rainwater harvesting? So the cost of pumping the groundwater is reduced considerably, and increase the groundwater table, reduce the surface runoff losses, and also to conserve the surface runoff during rainies, and also to encourage water conservation for drought proofing and improving acceptable to water. This is rainwater harvesting will be very simple method, and cost of construction installing also very less. And also we can encourage the surrounding peoples how to develop this type of rainwater harvesting structures in our particular homes and particular area. And rainwater also very pure water, and also to conserve surface water runoff during rains. So it can be reduced as the surface flow, and soil erosion will be reduced. And also infiltration, groundwater table will be increases, that can be used for drinking purposes, and livestock, domestic purpose, and animal purposes. So these are the different ways for rainwater harvesting for a particular where rainfall will be more in that area, so we can go for this one.